Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. Remember that if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please do also check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we offer. My 9-year-old son this year joined a Sunday League football team, an under-10s Sunday League team, and he plays most weekends in this league. Last Sunday they had an away game which I wasn't able to attend because my car broke down Sunday morning and I had to hang around waiting for the mechanic to come out and fix things for me. My son managed to get a lift up to the away team's ground about 5 miles north of here in the outer reaches of Zone 6. And at the end of the game, one of the other dads texted me with a brief match report saying that even though the team had fought bravely, they'd lost 5-3 and they'd been found wanting in some key areas. In other words, it had been shown that they weren't good enough in some of the important areas of the pitch. If you're found wanting, you're basically shown to not be good enough. In the same way, here in Britain, the government has been found wanting time and time again in the way it's handled the coronavirus pandemic. You might be sent a few applications for a job that you're advertising, and maybe someone performs well at interview, but you find their CV a bit wanting. It's not good enough. And as the recent revelations by various whistleblowers have shown, Facebook has been found wanting time and time again. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people to find more about what we do. Please do share the video with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of things that have been found wanting that you know about.